Welcome everybody to Kingdom Trades Live. Here we are. It is March 17th. We are just about 12 minutes till market open here, and we have a very special guest today. This is going to be our first stream with Akira. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the charts here, and I need to unmute him. There you are. Akira
Hello.
is here. What's going on, man?
Hey,
I don't
everything
know if you can hear
okay?
me before. Yeah, it's going good, man. Life's going good.
That's good.
We are on day 2 of the week. So yesterday was a pretty good day. I didn't really trade the morning, but I did trade that Asia session, and you were on. You watched. Crazy. It was after midnight. You're on the stream where you're at, and pulled off a W. So I'm just keeping my winning streak going, and then hopefully we'll get some more money today. I was asking you, I don't know if you heard me. I was asking, are you rolling over your contracts today? Can you hear me?
Nope. Very, very
You
bad.
can't hear me at all? Very bad. Okay. Well, I wonder, let me see if I can go to my mic settings. But you were hearing me okay before, right?
Yeah,
How about
before
that?
it was okay, but now very bad quality.
Oh no.
I can hear you in the distance.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if that changes anything. You let me know if it gets better or not. But are you rolling your contracts over today?
Yeah, it's already done. S&P and Nasdaq. It's the M contract now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I have it's rolled over.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I hear
Are you
you in the
watching
distance
are you watching
and
the
with
stream?
echo. What?
Do you have the YouTube on?
Can't hear you, man.
Do you have YouTube?
I
Is YouTube on?
Yes. No, wait. YouTube. No, I don't have any YouTube open. Nope.
All right, 1 second.
No.
I'm leaving. All right. Is that any better?
Yeah, some weird stuff going on with the sound, man.
How about now? Nothing?
Can you say something?
Check,
Yeah,
check, check.
that's
1
better.
2 1
That's
2.
better.
It's better.
A little bit better, yes.
All right, 1 second. We're gonna figure this out. Got to figure it out in 7 minutes.
Yeah. I'll check. Did you check? I will check it. The news. Any news today? 7 o'clock this evening. No, it's UA.
Yeah, I got
Nothing
nothing.
special, I guess.
Tomorrow's FOMC, so tomorrow's a big day.
Oh, it's
So
tomorrow.
today's gonna
Yes,
be
okay.
tomorrow's FOMC. The mic's not any better.
Yeah, yes, better.
Okay.
Mm.
You know which way are you gonna do a trade at the open? What are you
Yeah,
looking for?
I think I'm gonna trade the opening.
How do you decide which way you're going at the open?
Well, first candle, mostly I let it go. So, because it's up down volume constantly.
Okay.
I also look at money flow, where the money is going. And after second or third candle, usually I decide long or short. First rate is also mostly 3 to 5 micros, and all the trades after is gonna be 1 micro. So I have a buffer for losses, and with 1 micro I can build up the wins, I hope.
Yeah. I used to do the opposite. I'd start off small, start to build up a little bit, and then I'd start to scale in, and then I'd lose a trade, and then it's all gone. You know, you go too big, and then all of a sudden it's all gone. One trade. That's, to me, man, that's the biggest thing I have to work on. I really have to work on my losses, because my losses right now are double my wins pretty much all the time.
The sound is getting worse again, man. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong.
That's so weird, because I'm not adjusting anything.
I can hear you like good, very bad, good, very bad. It's going up, down.
Okay. Well, is it like if I turn this way and then I turn this way, is it like a change with my head position?
No.
Like I'm turning right now. I'm kind of turning away from the microphone, and now I'm turning towards the microphone.
Nope. I didn't hear anything about.
I wonder. Let me see. It might be my settings in my mic. But it's just weird that it was, because it was working before. I got my noise gate off.
Yeah. But it worked before you went live. And
and then after
the
I
second
went live,
you went live, it was like very bad.
What about, are you able to listen on the YouTube rather than on the control room? I can mute my mic on the control room. There'll be a 2-second delay if we do that. Mute the speaker. Does that change anything?
I cannot hear anything, man. Hold on.
I'm wondering if anybody can hear me on YouTube.
Yeah, I opened YouTube now.
All right, well, let's see. I know it's going to be delayed.
Well, it's delayed, but the sound is perfect.
That's good. All right, well, that means that it's got to be It's got to be on the software that we're using for streaming, for bringing you in, that VDO. So I gotta figure that out.
Yeah, maybe for today we'll do it like this, with a little delay. At 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 least I can hear you. Huh?
Yeah. Maybe I'm off all week, so tomorrow, if you can try to, I don't know when you're able to get on, but if you're able to get on a little bit early, I can make a test stream that's private, so it doesn't actually go live, and we can try to figure out how to make it where we can hear each other. And I'll try to see if I can find problems that have happened. I think the short looks good. I think if it was me, I'd be going short at the open, but I don't do an open trade.
Oh, it's open now. So 3, 2, 1.
And I'd be rich.
I hope it's not going to range.
Yeah, I mean, with it being FOMC today, I mean, it just seems like ranging's just inevitable. The FOMC tomorrow. With FOMC tomorrow, it's almost always those first 2 days are just up and down, very little price action. Maybe it can range just in a nice big range and just stay up and down in that one big range.
Yeah, yeah. A big range of 200 points.
Yeah. And it can just stay inside 200 up, 200 down, 200 up, 200 down.
Well, it's not moving.
Yeah, it's a pretty horrible open candles here.
Well, I'm in long.
All right. What's your entry?
I'm in from 795. If the money flow is going bullish, the RSI is going bullish, and the Bollinger Band is going bullish, it's good to go for long. If it stays like this, huh? I have a little pullback on the 30 seconds. Well, still good money flow
Nice.
on the
Nice
30
move.
seconds, the 1 minute also.
Still going up. Yeah, still going up.
Money flow on the 5 minute is good. Money flow on the 15 minute is good. 1 hour is climbing.
No trades for me yet. Just waiting.
Come on, up. Are you in a trade? No.
No, not yet.
No.
Not yet. I'm still obsessing over this thing.
Okay, okay.
Try the control room again. Try the other programs room and see if it sounds any better. Just let me know when you're in there and I'll start talking. I see what my bit rate is if it actually dropped it.
Yeah, I will try it in a second.
Okay, yeah, you're in a trade. Yeah, sorry.
Just have to manage this one first.
Yeah, of course.
Because if it's pulling back too hard, I have to step out.
Yeah.
I don't want to be in a
Hopefully
trade
it's just we
that's
just want a higher low here.
going to retest yesterday's high. It's close. I'm out.
Did you get any profit or are you just out?
Out with a little win. $37. Yeah, small one. Oh, it's pulling back too hard for to continue. And I cannot still the others websites, I cannot hear you.
Ah, darn, man. Yeah, I mean everything on my end is showing that it's I'm gonna have to cut my bit rate. I think that everything's is just too much for my system right now. Once I started the stream, and so I think tomorrow I'll try cutting the bit rate on my stream, and then seeing if that helps. Yeah, well, the Google said that it's probably just too much on my CPU to have all this happening. So I tried seeing if I can cut it right now, but it won't let me actually cut the bitrate. I'd have to cut the whole stream. So we'll just do this for today, and then tomorrow we can try. Yeah, now it's starting to push again. Right after you get out, it pushes.
Yeah, typical. You remember the trade I took, the 4K? You said when I will step in here, and it went 100 points up.
200 points, right? Is it 200? Because you were one mini for 200 points.
Or 200 points.
Crazy.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah. 4K, man. That's 20 points a contract, 200 points. That's insane. I got smoked that day. That day was bad for me. But it was good to see you win. Yeah, I need to see it get up to this 25-100 level, this cross up here, before I start taking any shorts.
You're looking for shorts?
Yeah. I mean, if it can reject off of a key level for me, so 25-100 is the next key level for me, and then I mean this right here would be considered an A+ cross for me, so I could take this on the close. If it stays purple on the close, I could take this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a short right here. Going to take me out immediately. There we go. There's a loss right there. Immediately took me out.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't even get a chance to manage the trade. That trade was out before that. Already played on NinjaTrader. What's the volume? Yeah, see, the volume's so short, man. That just happened so fast. All right.
Yeah, it wants to go. You're looking on Nasdaq, right? Because I am on the S&P, so a little different. But it's the same. Nasdaq is consolidating on that point. S&P also.
Yeah.
I can feel it wants to go. It wants to go up, but
wants to push through that top.
It needs that little push.
Yeah. Break this range up and keep going. We got one minute, about minute 15 seconds till the first 15-minute opening range is set. We're having right at the top right now.
Yes.
So the kids are at school right now for you?
Yeah. Just below that, it's the 800 EMA, so maybe a little pullback to the 800 and then go further up.
Yeah, how far down's
The
the
800 EMA is now at, oh no, this NQ. The 800 EMA at the Nasdaq is now at 24,947.
Oh, lots of room. Yeah, I love that, man.
Yep, yep. Learning stuff.
Yeah, what all the emails do you watch? Do you watch the 800? Is it the, like 200? What else? There's that push. There's that push. Broke that range.
Let's go, it's going.
Are you in?
There we go. I look mostly at the 5 EMA, the 13 EMA for close movements, then the 50 EMA, the 200 and the 800. The 800 is just for reference on long term. 200 also. Usually it's the 50, the 5 and the 13 EMA I'm looking for. And the daily open. Yeah, now let's keep pushing now. I'm in, yes, but money flow is going bearish on the 1 minute, so that's not very good for my long.
Long, yeah. What price you in at? I just noticed that I move a lot. I move a lot whenever I'm streaming. My wife's like, "Yeah, you move all the time." It's like I didn't even know. I go back, I watch my stream, and I'm just like this the whole time. All right, so for me, I came up, I touched this high volume sauce box. This is an old cell. The purple line's an old cell from that hasn't been retested. We're holding above this.
My entry point.
If we go yeah, your entry point. Yeah.
It was On the S&P, 6,808.
Okay. So, you must be looking at a different S&P. I mean, my S&P right now is at 67.53. Now it's starting to stall.
It's very hard to communicate like this. I say
Yeah, sorry,
something
brother.
and I hear myself 20 seconds later, and then you
Yeah.
answer the question, so it's always 15, 20 seconds delaying for me, so
Well, let's go
very
ahead,
hard.
brother, and let's just I'll have you leave the stream for today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna get on early, and then we'll try a test stream then, and so I'll try to get out here at 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock my time, so that's gonna be 8 Eastern, 8 Eastern, so an hour and a half before the market. I don't know if you can do that or not, and then we can try a test stream and test it out.
2 o'clock for me. An hour and a half before the market open. So yeah, I can do that. We'll figure it out tomorrow.
Yeah, Google says 2 p.m. You. All right, let's do that. I appreciate you trying, brother. We'll try again. See if we get this figured out.
Yeah, 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I wish
No worries.
it was better, but I don't know what's wrong.
I think it's my computer. I'm doing this all on a laptop, so I'm pretty positive that it's just my laptop. I have my stream set up to be really high quality, and it doesn't need to be that high. So I'm gonna try dropping the stream quality, and then hopefully that'll solve a lot of the issues.
Looking for a short here on the S&P on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it came right up to that 25-100 level, which is what I was looking for on the NQ. Oh yeah, we got that break back into orb.
Yeah,
We got a
maybe.
retest here. Right here.
Oh. I guess I'm stuck, man. I'm stuck in the short.
Yeah, I'm gonna get ticked out here. I came within a tick of my stop. I think that this thing's gonna push up again, and I wanted to see that SBX break back into orb and hold it, but it's coming back down. It's coming back down. Don't stress yet. Don't stress yet. We're still in it. Still in it. All right, some good selling happening. Come on, baby. Back into profit. Looks like a lot of resistance on the downward movement. I might just shoot, man. If it goes green again, I might just cut it.
Are you in a trade? No.
Yeah, I'm short, but I didn't actually link up my account yet. So I'm short from 92 on NQ. Now we're hitting those 80s. Let's see if we can come down, tap the bottom here. There we go. Got my 10 points. That's a W.
Yeah.
Touching topside orb right now. We could break into orb. Maybe we get some continuation. Got a little portion of that back right now. I see some continuation. SPX is into orb, into its first 15 minutes. It broke in, getting continuation. I just need NQ to follow.
Oh, you're in profit already. That was good.
Yeah, yeah. It came back. It came back to my stop. One tick from my stop, and didn't stop me out. So this one could have been a bad one. We're rejecting the top side of orb right now, so I need it to continue. SPX is starting to push back up, but hopefully it has some continuation down.
Um, yeah, that's crazy. Very, very lucky. I had that also before. One tick. This could be a very long trade for me. if it bounces like this on this level, hopefully it breaks down and not up.
Yeah, I'm hoping for. Yeah, I'm hoping for a good minute. All right, I'm out.
There we go. Let's go. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Getting back into orb on the 15.
Yeah, SPX is dropping hard. I almost want to re-enter it. SPX is really pushing down. NQ's holding on though. NQ failed to break
1
back
minute
into
money
orb.
flow is also getting bearish, so that's a good sign. High volume candle here on the 1 minute. Getting back into orb. Now let's continue to the downside. There we go. RSI is dropping hard. Money flow is going good.
I re-entered in. Oh, one tick from my TP that time. There we go. Entered back in. All right. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Dumping. Good trade.
One tick. Yeah,
Yeah,
me
it's
too.
super delayed, man. Honestly, I think it'd be. I would just leave. The stream for
What
today.
are you?
'Cause you are.
1 micro?
Yeah, one micro now. I had 3 in. I
Ka-ching.
took 2 off. Yeah, ka-ching. But I would take off for now, brother, and then just stay in the chat, and then come back tomorrow morning, because it's that delay is terrible.
Uh, yeah, it's it's too. Nope, very terrible. I'm off, man.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow
Uh,
morning, brother.
I'll see you in chat. So, pum, pum, pum.
All right, I'm out. Back to the top side. Orbital NQ. Nice little trade there. All right, Akira's back on in the chat. Back on in the chat. Yeah, it's like I'd start to talk, and I'd be talking, and it'd just be a lull of time before you. Tomorrow's a new chance, man. It'll work out. That might just be a. This might just be a lower high for a continued push. I got my points and I'm out. So hopefully you're still in this thing. Still looking good. Right now we're it says $30. That seems wrong. My lead account's up $30. Everything else is up 80. All right, we're breaking topside orb on NQ. Gonna hold there. This is gone. Like we're pushing back down. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, sorry, man. You had to be in profits for a minute there. That's okay. Yeah. Definitely hard to focus whenever you're trying to communicate with somebody that's like, 5 seconds delayed behind you. So, all right. Pushing back down. What is that? Yeah. I think it'll be fine if we can get the audio figured out, because then it's not this delayed communication. I don't even look at my camera 90% of the time, so I'm just looking at the chart. Then you just keep going. All right, breaking up, breaking up. Oh, failing. But it's good to see you. Good to hear your voice. Good to see a person I'm talking to. Good push back down. We're just hovering. We're just hovering topside orb on NQ right now. Hovering that topside orb. Take it again here. There we go. See if we get that continuation here. Looks good. Gotta push for a couple more points for me. Couple more points. Come on. Oh. Oh. Being a jerk. It's being a jerk. $54 is my... What's the low on this right now? 55.75. Got 1 point away. 1 point away. All right, we got this. We got this. There we go. 10 points. 3 wins on the day. That was 15 points of risk. Took 10. Took most of it off. And then we're going to hope this thing continues down. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Headed towards the midline on SPX. Heading towards the midline on SPX. I want to see it all the way down to the midline on NQ. At least at 25-30 level. There we go. There we go. Keep it above the candle. There it goes, baby. There it goes. We got a 1 minute cross at 25.024. Break this level down. This is going to be close to a rejection spot here. I am going to take that full 10 points off. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, baby, keep going. All right, we're gonna go top of candle, top of the next candle, top of the next candle. Starting to reject here. That's the 5 minute trend, hitting the short term 5 minute trend line here. The uptrend. Gotta break that uptrend if it wants to continue. That trend line's about 39, about 40. It's gotta hold below 40. Alright, tap me out. 3 wins, 1 loss. You don't sound terrible. You sound just fine. You sound just fine, man. Came up, tapped me out right before it's going to continue on its dumper. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Got in right before the break. Right before the break. Got in up here at that short was at 25.064. Right up here, right before that break. Right up here. Boom. Pretty good, pretty good. Doesn't always happen that way, but it's pretty good when it does. All right. Yeah, man, that thing just came up right on this one pullback, right up to the EMA. Barely touched my stop, and then continuing down now. Now we're at midline on NQ. Sorry about that. Yeah, back in green, man. I had the one loss. Oh, you're back in green too. Good. Old. We got a gap on SPX. So these like to fill. It's little gaps on SPX like to fill. God bless, brother. You taking out? True. All right, we're rejecting off the midline on NQ. SPX starting to push up towards that gap. See if it continues up. Only 100-point opening range today. Quite a good continuation here. Yeah, nice dump. Nice dump. Yeah, let's see here. All the way over here, 845. Yeah, maybe. It's not too far away. Not too far away. Big wake up. Big wake up. As the bottom side orb on SPX broke through and then rejected heavy. Aggressive buy, aggressive buy. Very aggressive buying now. SPX about to tap that gap. Came back up, tacked the gap. Boom, filled. That's a 90%er. 90% of the time, you see a gap like that on SPX, it gets filled that same day. Yeah.
There will be grace and mercy all around.
60 points in 3 minutes. 60 points in 3 minutes.
Seated among us, let every heart receive him now.
Yeah, the volume is actually really low for
Where there's praise, yes, he will
or the price action, the movement, whatever. The ATR is very, very low for this time of day.
and mercy all around. And every burden will be lifted.
Back up to midline on SPX.
Yes, every
Line of the opening range.
will be laid down at his feet. There is a name that is above all others. Jesus Christ, our King above all kings. Oh. Unto the
All right, heading towards top side orb. And Q.
worthy is he who
Ejected midline on SPX.
came. Yes, he
Oh.
in shame, risen in power. He is alive. The stone was
Looks good on that SPX trend line.
and all our worship
Just jumped up for another tap.
to him forever.
Jumped up for another tap on that trend.
Our Savior holds the key. There is a name that reigns above all others. Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
the King above all
NQ's being strong though. NQ's holding that. That was a big push down on SPX. NQ just barely even moved. Barely moved. Right now NQ's up 1.4, 1.5%. SPX is only up 0.5%.
will be at home. This war will be over.
SPX being very strong here.
Soon we will meet our Savior.
Or NQ. NQ's being very strong here. Big push on NQ.
All the worship will be
SPX still pushing down.
holy, holy for all eternity. Yours is that name above all others. Jesus Christ, the King above all kings. Jesus Christ, our King above all kings.
Late on that. See if we can get that full 10 points here. SPX ripping down. SPX is ripping down, and NQ to follow. SPX tearing it down. Right to a midline play though. Right to a 1 minute cross.
Oh yes, there is a king.
Yes, he is.
He's here among us. Let every heart receive him.
SPX pushing down.
'Cause where there is praise,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
NQ still holding. NQ's so strong right now.
Thank you, God.
there will be grace and mercy all around. And every burden will be lifted
in his presence. Come on, claim it in the name of Jesus.
And every
Hallelujah.
trophy will be laid down at his feet. There is a name that reigns above all others. Jesus Christ, our King above all kings. Jesus Christ, our King above all kings. It won't be long.
It won't be long.
Our eyes will behold.
We're going to see him face to face.
Every tear he'll wipe away. Finally be at home.
Yes.
The war will be over.
I don't know. I think the long looks really good right now.
Our Savior face.
If I would have hit that the moment I saw it on SPX, I would have gotten my 10 points. But now it's rejecting that 1 minute cross, that upward 1 minute cross. All right, SPX starting to push back down. Let's see if NQ can try to muster up some weakness, man. NQ's just being so strong.
That name above all others, Jesus Christ, the King above all kings. And all our worship will belong to you forever. And holy, holy, for all eternity.
Breakout right here.
Yours is the name that reigns above all others.
Breaks topside orb.
Christ, the
Breakout really hard here. Yep.
Jesus Christ, the King above all kings. Jesus Christ, the King above all kings.
Order submitted.
Hallelujah. And when the music fades, yes, all is stripped
DCA, just get out.
and I sip
That was bad trading. I should have just not done that. But hey, I got out. I got out.
longing just
That was a flat trade.
read something that's of worth that will bless your heart.
So I needed to break now. I needed to come down and break this 2 minute cross. I needed to come down and break this 2 minute cross for this to just to be another lower high. But if it come down and break this 2 minute cross and SPX can start showing some weakness, and maybe we'll go down. But I think, I mean, like this looks like a really good rejection point here. Really good push up higher spot. We hit that longer term downtrend on the 5 minute. So I see this 5 minute. We hit this long term downtrend here, tapped it, and then started ripping up off of it. With SPX just hit the bottom side of orb and then just started ripping, and now it's kind of ranging too. But I think that this looks like a really good long spot now. So I was short. I was able to, off the bounce off of topside orb, I was able to DCA in on that and then get out, break even. All right, so now we're testing this 2 minute cross here. Down touching the EMA on SPX. It did hold that 2 minute, but just barely. Barely. Not enough for me to be very confident in it. Now we got a solid range form here on SPX. All right, we're going long here. Here we go, 10 points. That was a range break on SPX. Range break on SPX with some continuation on it. Breaking topside orb.
Oh, hear the word of the Lord to this morning.
Yeah, that DCA was really bad because I was just hoping for a rejection off the topside orb. And I got it. Praise God. Got it. And it actually would have came down and given me some good profits. But whatever, man. It's not worth it. Should have just taken my loss. All right, come back to midline. Breaking back into orb. Let's see if we can get a rejection, flip out, and go for some continuation. Or is it going to pull all the way back down? SPX is looking back towards that midline. I'm not going to move it. I'll go out break even if it comes out. I already took my profit on this trade, so I'm not going to risk it. I want a 3-bar out of orb would be awesome. 3-bar out of orb would be awesome. If we get a nice green push here. Get a nice green push here, get a 3-bar out. Or is it going to come back in and start ranging again? Big green push, baby. Big green push. Break the top side of this. We got a 3 bar. Come on, baby. Break the top side. Get a 3 bar. Mean to me. All right. Now just slam it through. There we go. There we go. Let's go to the bottom of this candle. Let's go to the bottom of the 3 bar candle. Bar out. 3 bar out. Oh, it's rejecting right back down. I don't want to give up. I don't want to give up too much. I'm going to put my risk-free, man. Just leave it. Just leave it. It's risk-free. It's risk-free. We got a 5-minute cross on SPX around 7:44. That's like 4 points away. How much time we got left? 10 seconds? I know. All right. Rejection back down into orb. That was a tap, retest. Right here. Oh, just came a couple points away from my target there. There we go. 10 points again. Taking the short. Now we're going. Go to top side orb. Right back down into that SPX range. Let's see if it can melt its way all the way through. In the bottom of this NQ range. Make some new lows, baby. Make some new lows. SPX push back up to a 2-minute cross. See if we can reject off that. We're in range. We're in that old range. I want to see it go all the way, at least back down to the bottom of that range on SPX. Got our SPX range here. Broke out. Took a long on the breakout, which was the top side of orb. Now we're back in. Let's see if it can push all the way back down to the bottom of that range there. My stop should be... I'm going to take the full 10 points. Come on, baby. Get that push. Get that push. SPX trying to make that cross down. Here it comes. Here it comes. There we go. There we go. Let's take some of this off. Getting some resistance here at the bottom. Might come up, stop me out before it continues. There we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh. Flipping. Wick and flip. Wick and flip. I'm out. All right, that's 5 wins. 5 wins. 5 W's. 1 L. 1 break even. And this thing could just keep dumping from here. Day before FOMC. Broke that 200 barrier. Trading's been good. Trading's been good. Coming up on a 1 minute cross. Reaching back towards the top. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Big move up. Big move up. Back to midline on SPX. Really failed the new low. So it came down to the new low, wicked it out, pushed it back up. Yeah, we're just sideways action here, man. It gives you a buy, a plus, A and a half. A plus buy on SPX. And it just gives you an A on NQ if it can hold. Right back to top side of orb. Big break on orb, top side orb, running it up. Yeah, we're gonna call that good today. This is big moves up and down, very dangerous stuff. Very dangerous stuff. But that was a good session. Up to 16 for a count, at least. That's actually, I think, the low end. Most of these are 270s, 250s, 270s. 216's the lead account, and it decided to lag. The lead account was lagging. But everything else is green on the day. Another green day. I love it. We're gonna call that trading day. Doing this breakout on orb right here. I want to see if this thing can retest those 2,500 levels. Or we're gonna just keep chopping. I mean, look at this thing on the 2 minute here, 5 minute, 2 minute. I mean, this is very, very choppy price action. We had this nice move up at the open. We got our open on the 5 minute here. We got a nice move up. Let me see if I can move this over. We got a nice move up here, starting from down here. Big up on the open, came all the way back down, and then it's just now we're chopping around trying to find direction. So I don't want to get eaten alive while we're chopping the top side of orb over here. You know, trying to do orb plays, range plays. The range plays worked out. The range plays really worked out today. So pretty good, pretty good. All right, everybody. Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real and personal way. I hope that you guys know him as your personal Lord and Savior, and know that none of this can be taken with us. So hopefully your trading journey is going good. Trading is hard, so hopefully your trading journey is going good. But just know, regardless, either way, win, lose, draw, nothing goes with us. All that matters is our eternal salvation. So get to know him. Get to know him. Have a great day, guys. Have a great rest of your week. I'll be back on tomorrow, and hopefully we get these audio issues figured out, Akira, and we'll have to test some stuff. I might just need a better computer before this happens, but because I'm running all this off a $600 laptop, trying to do multi-person streaming, charting, five monitor charting. This would be a buy right here for me, man. Right off that topside order, come down, retest topside order, take that buy, and then let it rip all the way up to 25,100, 20 points. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I could have hit that long off that A+ on SPX, but I didn't go for it, which is fine. It was really aggressive. Would have hit my points pretty quick, but also could have been really aggressive the other way. So, God bless everybody. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Ending for the day green.